Thank you so much for showing up for a date with your body. It's amazing. Have you ever dated your body? Good or
Starting to.
superb. So just ask yourself, you may have dated your friend, you may have dated XYZ, but have you ever just dated your body for no reason at all? It's so everything that brings up can be destroyed and created all. Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, boggle, 100, short, bus, work, buses, station. And what do I mean by dating with the body? Dating is the body with, it's not like taking to a fancy restaurant or somewhere else. It's dating with the body means being completely present with the body. You can be present in your bathroom, you can be present in your room, you can be present anywhere. See, when we are dating somebody, when we go out on a date, what we do, we are actually present with the person. Then everything that we do is an add-on, right? So it's like, and people who are present, are you present with love or you're present with hatred with your body? साले गधी बॉडी
Love.
फिर से क्रिएट कर दिया, ड्रेस फिट नहीं हो रही है, गधी है क्या, कितना कितना खाएगी बॉडी तू, खत्म, खाना ही नहीं खत्म होता है तेरा। हाँ, तूने मेरी इंसल्ट करा दी, सब इतने सुंदर लग रहे थे, मैं इतनी गंदी लग रही थी। व्हाट द हेल बॉडी, नथिंग फिट्स मी, यू सो रॉन्ग। Isn't this some of the dialogues we tell ourselves from time to time? So are we really dating our body or are we cursing our body? हमने डेट में तो किसी भी बॉयफ्रेंड को नहीं बोला कि गधे हो तुम, उल्लू हो तुम। वो भाग जाता वहीं से। उसको तो हम इम्प्रेस करने की कोशिश करते हैं। Oh, you're so nice, you're so caring. Oh my God, you love me so much. Thank you. Oh, and we dress up so well to impress. Have you ever dressed up so well to impress your body? So I'm just giving some food for thought. See where you are. We've all been there, done that. ऐसा कोई नहीं है जिसने नहीं किया। कोई संत नहीं है, ना मैं हूं ना कोई और। We've all been there, done that, where we want to go to a particular place and we want to look awesome in that day body, and then you're like, body आज ही मिला है तेरे को, आज ही फ्लोटिंग होनी थी, आज ही हेडेक होना था। But now think of it, if you go to meet your boyfriend whom you're craving to meet, even if you have a headache, you will never complain him of a headache. You will be still be present. But how much cribbing we do because we don't love our body, we take our body for granted and we feel मेरी है ना, क्या फर्क पड़ता है? I need to impress others, I don't need to impress myself. And so now my other question is, do you want people to impress you? Just be very honest. Do you want people to give you compliments? Do you want people to impress you? Do you want people to say, oh my God, you look so sexy, nice, oh my God, I can't take my eyes off? You want to be cherished, right, from others. So what do you need to teach yourself to receive that? Because कोई फिर देखता है तो हमको लगता है शिट यार, वो क्या सोच रहा होगा, उसकी सोच गलत है। Barriers up, barriers up, barriers up, I don't want to look nice. So how uncomfortable it makes you when people give you that attention. So what do we need to teach ourselves so that we can receive the attention, the love, the lust without any point of view? But everything that doesn't allow can be destroyed and fade off. Right, wrong, good, bad, what, pop, all, 100, short, bus, बहुत, buses, creation, and yeah. Yeah, Seema, you had your hands up. I'm sorry, I was just saying, yeah.
तभी आपने बोला डेट नो, तो डेट पे ही इतना चार्ज है तो उसके आगे कैसे जाए, मतलब व्हेन यू आर
क्या
टॉकिंग ऑफ।
होगा तो, हाँ, तो डेट में चार्ज है। कौन सा ऐसा डेट था आपका लाइफ में किसी भी टाइम, अभी नहीं पहले भी, जो इतना बुरा गया कि उसके नाम से चिढ़ मचती है, नाम से गुस्सा आने लगता है, नाम से पता नहीं क्या हो जाएगा? किसी ने धोखा दे दिया डेट पे ले जाके।
नहीं, डेट मतलब ऐसे, डेट मतलब हाउ कैन आई गो ऑन अ डेट, ऐसे आ रहा है, मतलब
वही
हाउ
ना,
कैन
हाउ
आई।
कैन यू गो। बॉडी आपकी है पड़ोसी की है?
बॉडी छोड़ो, डेट पे ही चार्ज है, किसी के साथ भी डेट पे जा।
तो ना अगर डेट पे चार्ज है ना, सो देन यू शुड स्टार्ट डूइंग इट लाइक आई एम टेकिंग माई सेल्फ आउट फॉर अ डेट. जिस चीज पे चार्ज है, गो प्रेजेंट. आई एम गोइंग टू टेक आउट माई सेल्फ आउट फॉर अ डेट फॉर अ कॉफी. ओके, यूज दिस वर्ड. सो वो जो वर्ड आएगी, जो एनर्जी आएगी ना, पॉकेट पॉट करो. और उस एनर्जी के नीचे क्या है? सो हु मेड यू रॉन्ग फॉर इवन डिजायरिंग अ डेट विद एनीबडी?
There is lot of wrongness.
Yes.
Whoever made it,
Yeah.
and I bought it.
You bought it. So everywhere you agreed a line and resisted, reacted, that you'll be thrashed, you'll be scolded, right? Chapde lagenge if you think of date. And everywhere you made the word date so wrong, so wrong that even you can't think of it only. तो करना तो बहुत दूर की बात है, सोच में ही सारी एनर्जीज ऊपर हो रही है. सो एवरीथिंग दैट इज, कैन यू डिस्ट्रॉय एंड अनक्रिएट इट ऑल?
Yes.
राइट, रॉन्ग, गुड, बैड, पॉट, पॉकल, 100 शर्ट, बस वर्सेस क्रिएशन.
There is guilt and there is enjoyment क्यों करनी है, मतलब
See
joy के
all the
ऊपर.
distractor implant of guilt you have to never enjoy yourself, your body, your company, and all the distractor implant of shame, rage, blame, and everything said, unsaid is underneath that. Okay, and all the BBRS, all the Mobius strip, all the positional heat pads, everything said, not said, energetically or cognitively, holding this whole pot of your implants. And everywhere you're not willing to let go of this shame because you want to blame people for doing that to you. Can you destroy and uncreate all of it, please? Right, wrong,
Yes.
cut, pot, poggle, 100 short boys, pause versus creation. And see, हम बहुत let go इसलिए नहीं करते. We know if I let go this emotion, my life will be easy. My life will be easy, but उसकी भी life तो easy हो जाएगी जिसने मेरी life खराब की है इस word से. So to torture them, we will torture ourselves.
Yes.
तो ask कि भैया, if I enjoy, will the person will be tortured because your happiness will torture so many people. You don't even have no idea. We think if I'm having fun, the biggest revenge is be happy. The biggest revenge is be happy. If you really want people, like, I know hurting is bad, but just be happy. It doesn't matter. वो आधे तो कुड़ के मर जाएंगे ऐसे. फिर आधे बोलेंगे ये पता नहीं कौन सा ड्रग्स लेने लग गई आजकल. फिर आधे बोलेंगे इसका सीक्रेटली अफेयर चल रहा है. क्यों? बिकॉज इफ शी स्टार्टेड लुकिंग गुड, सेक्सी, एवरीथिंग, शी इज डेफिनेटली हैविंग एन एक्स्ट्रा मैरिटल अफेयर or an affair if you are not married, whatever it is. I'm just saying. So what if it's just their point of view? You know your truth. So if you really want to have fun, don't tell them what you're doing and just keep having fun and let them. So you can let go the judgment. Because if you hold that blame, if you hold that shame, and if you hold that wrongness that somebody made me wrong for choosing this, now I'm not going to choose this, let them suffer कि मेरी पूरी लाइफ तेरे कारण डिस्ट्रॉय हुई है. उसमें आप अपने आप को अटैक कर रहे हो, दूसरे को नहीं. So you're not forgiving them for them, you're forgiving them for you. Why? Because you are choosing to step up to your power. You're choosing to have fun with yourself. You're choosing to explore your body. You're choosing to receive all the lust that is available in the universe. But everything that brings up, okay, all the distractor implants that are shaking, pagal ho gayi hai, matsun, can you destroy and uncreate it all? Right and wrong, good and bad, God and pork, all 100 short boys, versus creation. So, Seema, truth. Why all the anger you have with your own self that doesn't allow you to choose, and you are always looking for somebody to blame कि इसके कारण, उसके कारण नहीं, आपके कारण हुआ. So are you willing to let that go and choose something
Yes.
different?
Yes.
सीमा, डेट पे चलेंगे?
Yes. चलेंगे.
अरे भाई चल ना, डेट पे चलते हैं थोड़ा.
चलते चलते. कितने बजे चल?
अभी अभी क्या हुआ? डेट के वर्ड पे कुछ आया या
नहीं आया. Now I'm willing to go on a date.
it's a funny joke. I don't know where it's coming. I know it's not mine. It sucks. Date. डी को किसने ईट? आपने डी को ईट किया that you are against date? DATE, date, right? So A, आपने डी को कब खाया that you don't want to date again?
Yes.
Everything that brings up, can you destroy it and create a right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pop, well, under Chepper's word.
Yes.
So everywhere you're not willing to be man-eaters, that you don't want to go on a date. Can you destroy and because you know you'll eat the people up. Can you destroy and create it all? Right, wrong,
Yes.
bad, pot, pop, well, 100 Sherpas, versus creation and beyonds. Yes, Sonali.
And वन मोर थिंग
Yeah.
कि जब आपने बोला ना कि बॉडी, तो जो चीज अपने पास होती है ना, ऐसे पड़ी है, मतलब वी आर सो, मतलब उसको, अरे
Of
ये तो
course,
है मेरे
वैल्यू
पास।
नहीं है।
हाँ, उसका वैल्यू ही नहीं है,
क्योंकि
ये तो
मुझे
ये
मिली
तो
है। क्योंकि मुझे मिली है, मेरा वैल्यू नहीं तो मेरे सामान का क्या वैल्यू होगा?
और ये तो पड़ी है ना, मैं कल, आज नहीं तो कल, कल भी पड़ी होगी, परसों भी पड़ी होगी,
अच्छा,
एंड इट्स,
गारंटी है? सॉरी टू से सीमा, कल की गारंटी है? आपने तो बोला पड़ी है, कल की गारंटी है।
बट दैट्स हाउ वी लुक
That's
एट थिंग्स ना, कि
that's
ये
how
तो
we
मेरे
get
पास
things.
है।
Agreed. Now, why do you want to create a lack to value it?
यस।
Why you
जब
want
तक जब तक उसको उसको वी डोंट लूज सम पार्ट ऑफ इट, वी डोंट रियलाइज, ओ यार ये तो मेरे पास थी।
everywhere, all the points of views, beliefs, conditions, lies you have, that unless things are in scarcity, things are not reach is more valuable. Everywhere you bought that lie, that is the only thing that is valuable. जो मुझे मिलेगी नहीं. Can you destroy and create it all? Right,
यस।
wrong, good, bad, pot, pop, 100 short, bus, both versus creation. 5 elements of intimacy with body are lacking. Great, amazing. At least you have an awareness it's lacking. Which is okay. See, सबके पास कम बेसी है. At least आपको ये पता है, right? So it's like now, if you see, it's if you look at an organization, whatever trade you are in, if you look at it, कि अच्छा ये चीज नहीं है, okay, ये सामान नहीं है, ये है. So what I need? I need to increase that. So you said 5 level of intimacy: trust, vulnerability, right? Then you have gratitude. You have
Honor, honoring,
honor, honoring. So which
trust, trust.
सबसे पहले ट्रस्ट बोला था. ट्रस्ट, ऑनरिंग, वनरेबिलिटी, ग्रेटिट्यूड, एंड द फिफ्थ वन इज शिट, मिसिंग हो गई मेरी. विच इज
Allowance,
Allowance.
allowance.
अलावन।
That is what I think is missing with myself. So I forgot it completely. Skip my mind. Allowance. So what is that missing for you, Raj? You said 5 level. तो उसमें जरूरी नहीं है सारे मिसिंग है. रेशियो दो, 0 to 10. ये कितना है, ये कितना है, ये कितना है, ये कितना है, राइट? देन यू सी सबसे लोएस्ट जो है, like right now I will work on allowance. Why? Because I skipped that. So I was like, okay, I need to have allowance with myself for everything. So I'm going to play throughout the day or maybe for a week just for just allowance, not anything else. Why? Because when I start getting comfortable, when I start getting to the core, things will show up, right? And what is allowance? Allowance is just interesting point of view, but what is the biggest lie with allowance that we have? Oh, if I have allowance, then things will not change for me. I'll be too comfortable. Then my life will be exactly the same it is because I'm just an allowance for it. So unless I don't be judgmental about it, I will not be able to change. So everywhere you bought the lie, unless you don't have judgment about something, you will not take action. It doesn't allow you to have allowance with yourself and others. Can you destroy and uncreate it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pop, 100 short, bus, pause, versus creation. Allowance बड़ी simple लगती है, but it's the most difficult thing to do. Why? Because we want to control everything. Be like, oh my God, if I just be interesting, how will I control myself or the situation or someone else? But when you're controlling, how much limited your reality will be. So do you want a limited reality? Have control. If you want unlimited reality, everything, then you have to let go control. So to let go control, what do we need to do? So we need to run this. What energy, space, consciousness, choice, magic, miracle, mystery, possibility can be in my body be to be out of control, out of definition, out of form, structure, significance, linearity, with my body, with my life for now and all eternity. Right and wrong, good and bad, part of all 100 shots, boys, boat, versus fishermen. And what this clearing will do, हमारे जितने energetic या cognitive point of views हैं, right? It will start digging that, and that will surface up. So it will just do the cleaning, but steps तो आप ही को लेना पड़ेगा. अगर if you feel okay, I'll just do the clearing and my life will be sorted. No, You will have to take action. And whenever you're doing control, underlining control is proving. What am I proving here? Which doesn't allow me to have allowance. Because I have to prove something, right? That's the reason it doesn't allow me to have allowance. I need to prove how smart I am. I need to prove how in control I am. So if I was not proving this, can I give myself allowance for not knowing what to do now? I'm just figuring it out, and I'll figure it out on the way. So Raj, what comes up?
मेरे को बहुत दिन से मतलब ऐसा चल रहा है। मैं आपसे पर्सनली बात भी करने वाला था पर प्लेटफॉर्म मिल गया, थैंक यू सो मच। मैंने ना अपनी एंटिटीज क्लियर कर ली, सब क्लियर कर लिया लाइफ में ना। मुझे कुछ ऐसा अभी पिछले 1-2 महीने से कुछ चार में ऐसा समझ में नहीं आ रहा है। और मैं अपनी बॉडी के साथ में डेली बेसिस पे एंटिटी क्लियर करता हूँ, डीमन एंटिटी वॉकिंस एवरीथिंग मैं जो क्लियर करता हूँ वो मुझे कुछ ऐसा समझ में नहीं आ रहा है। मैंने बॉडी से यही वाली बात पूछी, मैंने कहा बॉडी आप मतलब आप स्टे करना चाहते हो कि जाना चाहते हो? मुझे लगता है आई एम डन। तो
आपको लगता है
मुझे
ओके, थैंक यू। आपको लगता है यू आर डन, एक सेकेंड, और यू अवेयर ऑफ पीपल हु आर डन? सी, हम अवेयरनेस बहुत लाइट होती है, ठीक है? वो आपकी बॉडी की अवेयरनेस है या जनरल अवेयरनेस है? डोंट ग्लम्प इट एज वन। ओके, जाना है जाओ, दैट इज नॉट अ प्रॉब्लम, बट यू
हाँ, मैंने भी अपनी बॉडी से वही बात की। मैं कहा देखो बॉडी,
इज
व्हाट
दिस
द
माइंड?
वैल्यू ऑफ लिविंग विद दिस कंफ्यूजन। आप अगर अपना ट्रूली अपने को लगता है कि अपना डन हो गया तो ठीक है, चलो डन, नाउ यहाँ से मूव ऑन,
So
लीव
is your
दिस
body okay?
बॉडी।
Now, is your body done with all the frustration? Is your body done with all the anger? Is your body done with all the boredom? Is your body done with all the stuckness? Truth.
नहीं समझा।
नहीं समझा ना? See,
Everything is the opposite of
see,
what
इसलिए body is done with the life you are living. Body saying मुझे मजे करने हैं, मुझे मस्ती करनी है, मुझे दिमाग नहीं लगाना, छोड़ दे इसको। And you're thinking body is saying done, done, ऊपर। वो see, exit out is the safest and the fastest route, right? But then the only thing is कि भैया जिस एग्जाम में को बंद करोगे ना, नेक्स्ट टाइम वहीं से स्टार्ट करना पड़ेगा। ग्रेजुएशन की डिग्री नहीं मिलेगी। अगर हम थर्ड में एग्जिट मारते कि यार बहुत पढ़ाई टफ हो रही है, मुझे नहीं करना, हाँ, हम वापस जब भी आएंगे हमको थर्ड से ही स्टार्ट करना पड़ेगा, ठीक है? सो देयर इज नो स्केप मैकेनिज्म, इट्स योर चॉइस, डन नॉट डन। क्योंकि व्हेन यू से यू आर डन, that is the time you invite a different low vibrational entity to take over your body. You can keep clearing. आप क्लियर करते हो, 2 दिन बाद फिर कोई फ्रस्ट्रेशन होता है, यू आर लाइक आई एम डन, मेरे को नहीं जीना।
हाँ
फिर
हाँ, ये वाला सिचुएशन बना हुआ है।
तो फिर से बोलता है अरे वाह घर मिल गया पार्टी करने के लिए, चल भाई हम डांस करते हैं। फिर सडनली जागते हो कि यार मेरा घर है, ये कितने लोग क्यों आए, चलो बाहर भागो तुम यहाँ से। तो इट्स लाइक every way you've decided this is fun for you, and every way you creating this to entertain yourself so that आप bored नहीं हो. Can you destroy and uncreate that?
यस यस
Right,
यस।
wrong, good, bad, what, all 100 short bus pause bus. And what if खाली हफ्ते भर के लिए उठ के बोलो आज कितना मजा कर सकता हूं मैं, बस लाइफ में मेरे पैसे 4 कम आ रहे हैं, मेरी हेल्थ थोड़ी कम हो गई, ठीक नहीं है, पर मुझे तो मजा करना है यार, बोर्डम से तो हो गया। हाँ, ये एग्जिट करने वाला हूं मैं बोर्डम, अब मैं मजे करने वाला हूँ। वो लो वाइब्रेशनल बीइंग इसलिए नहीं आएंगे क्योंकि उनको मजा नहीं आता, वो तो बेचारे दुखी है। तो वो घर खोजते हैं जहाँ पे रोना धोना एक पेन हो। जहाँ मजा आ गया तो वो तो अटैच नहीं होंगे, और अगर अटैच हुए तो कौन से वाले होंगे जो बोलेंगे और मजे करो, ठीक है ना? तो नाउ अपने दिमाग को चलाना बंद करो कि इट्स सेइंग टाइम हो गया। टाइम तो नहीं होगा, लेटे रह जाओगे, राइट? टाइम तो जब भगवान बुलाएगा तब बुलाएगा, लेटे रह जाओगे, डिजीज क्रिएट कर लोगे, just to justify how right you are with your awareness that the body said it's time to go. Body is not saying it's the time to go, body is saying it's time to let go.
Superb. Done with what is the question? Wow.
Yeah, what if you get up and says body come let's have fun, show me how to have fun. Body, can you show me how to have fun? मुझे तो नहीं आता, मैं तो अपने दिमाग से सोचता हूँ। बॉडी, कैन यू शो मी हाउ टू हैव फन? आज तू आज तू लीड कर, 1 घंटे के लिए लीड कर, and let's go and see. If you're eating the same food, it will taste very nice. Because when you see things from different energy, everything looks beautiful. हम जैसे सनग्लासेस लगा लेते हैं, बाहर धूप उतना है बट दिखता अच्छा है, राइट? द सेम थिंग इज, जब हमारी एनर्जी चेंज हो जाती है ना, परिस्थिति परिस्थिति जो भी हो, पर उसका रिएक्शन हमारा डिफरेंट होता है. सो वो आपके हाथ में है. अभी डन हुआ नहीं, अभी तो गेम चालू हुआ है. तो आर यू गोइंग टू प्ले, और आर यू सेइंग कि भैया मेरे को चोट लग गई है, मैं तो बाहर बैठूंगा क्योंकि गेम तो हम हारने वाले हैं. देन देन ऑल द एंटिटीज विल से कि चल ठीक है यार, पिच है, लोग हैं, मैं बैटिंग कर लेता हूँ, वो बैठा है. फिर आप बैठ के क्लियरिंग करते रहना, चाहे वॉक इन क्लियरिंग करो, एंटिटी क्लियरिंग करो, बस. देन यू कैन कीप ब्लेमिंग द एंटिटीज फॉर इट. See, you are calling when you feel you are done. Then you are inviting somebody to help you, and that somebody, anybody can walk in. चाहे उनको आती है नहीं आती है. आपने अपनी गाड़ी किसी को दे दिया, 2 साल का बच्चा तो ठुकेगा ही गाड़ी. और अगर ड्रंक है तो ड्रंक ड्राइविंग होगी. तो चलाना तो गाड़ी आपको अपनी है, चाहे पार्क करो या चलाओ. अभी पार्क करके रखोगे तो फिर खाली कुड़ते रहोगे. Might as well just go out and have fun. How much fun can I have with my insanity? How much fun can I have with my stupidity? How much fun can I have with my problem? Let me just have fun. It sounds very simple, but जब गुस्सा आता है ना तो ये फन भी चला जाता है. But you have to remind कि यार गुस्सा तो कर लिया, चल अब ये हो गया, कुछ नहीं, इतने टाइम से तो मैं ये कर रहा हूँ. Let me just for 1 week have a different strategy. नहीं मजा आया, I'll give up. बुला लूंगा फिर से कोई एंटिटी को. बतेरो है. Yeah. Yes, Sonali, you have your hands up.
अपना टाइम आ गया.
Yes.
So, Suruchi, when you were saying when we go for a date with someone, like if it's a boy, how we put up our best self, and we don't do that with our body. So for
Yeah.
me, what showed up is कि there somewhere I'm like not being real, I'm faking it. Like जो भी है वो मुद्दा छोड़ के I'm like just trying to be that pretty nice.
So
That's
where
why
are you
it
not
was
willing to
very-
be vulnerable? See, again, it's like कौन सा intimacy में से कौन सा vulnerability is missing, right? Because I am not being vulnerable with myself. If I'm being vulnerable, I will admit कि ये problem है. I will not fake it.
Hmm.
When I'm doing fake is like because I don't want to see what really is. Because to see really, I'll have to be vulnerable and say this work and this doesn't work. I really wanted this, but I'm not getting. So I'm feeling sad. You will address the feeling because where is the feeling coming? Your body toxin feeling, right?
Hmm.
So you will address it. But when I say नहीं, everything is all good, नहीं, oh I am a rock star, oh I am this. So हमने एक barricade create कर लिया which doesn't allow me to go connect with my true self. Because
Yeah.
unless you are not going to, because every year decided if you connect with your true self, you will be uncontrollable. Can you destroy and create it all?
Yes.
Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pop, all 100, short, bus, pause, bus. Even uncontrollable to your own self. You will not know who you are. Right? So how much you want to put everything into a box? So then box to look pretty, to look nice, you will only pretend.
Yeah.
It's a fake. But after some time faking it also, जब रात को जब सोने जाते हैं ना, then you feel irritated कि साला क्यों किया?
Yeah.
And every day then you feel next day again I'm getting up and doing the same thing.
Yeah.
That starts getting disconnected with myself. That starts disconnected with my true source.
Yeah.
Because unless you don't know कि फॉल्ट है, बट सोर्स कहाँ से, जब तक वो सोर्स से नहीं चेंज करोगे तब तक लाइफ नहीं चेंज होगी. बट उसके लिए शायद खराब लगे मुझे या उसको, बट यू विल हैव टू बी सिटिंग विथ योरसेल्फ, बीइंग प्रेजेंट. वेयर इज द प्रॉब्लम? व्हाट इज द अंडरलाइनिंग प्रॉब्लम? व्हाट एम आई नॉट विलिंग टू बी और सीन एज? सी व्हेन वी आर फेकिंग, what am I not willing to be seen as? Because I'm not willing to be seen as something to other people. So I have to put my nice makeup face.
Yeah.
Right? So वो judgment खुद की है, दूसरों की नहीं है. Because I am not willing to people to see me as this. I don't want people
Yeah.
to see me as weak. I don't want people to see me miserable. So all the profiles that you have made of yourself, that doesn't allow you to be you authentically at any given point of time. Can you destroy and uncreate it all? Right?
Yes.
Bad pot, poggle, 100 short bus, बहुत bus situation and everywhere is such a big ask of you. You're like, यार अभी तो life में navigate कर सकती हूँ. उसके बाद I will not know how to navigate. But what if you don't have to navigate?
Yes. Yes.
It's very interesting. It's like if you're a sea or an ocean and you have to mix into a river, but you're thinking, यार मैं तो नली की तरह ऐसे ऐसे जाऊँ ना तो मुझे पता है. So can you
Yeah.
let it go so that you merge with your true power?
Wow.
उसमें roadblocks आएंगे. But then the thing is, it's okay. It's interesting roadblocks. But you've already, all the assumptions you already have in place, how people will not be able to receive you because they can't receive you now. Somebody, can somebody mute? There's some background.
Sumit.
Sumit, yeah. So everywhere you've already decided that people can't receive the fake you, how will they receive the raw you? Can you destroy and uncreate it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pog, short, bus, pause, versus creation. What you have to first receive you.
Yes.
Everywhere you are not willing to receive the rawness of you. Can you destroy and uncreate that?
Yes.
Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pog, 100 short, bus, pause, versus creation. The day you don't have a guilt, you don't blame yourself, you don't ashamed of you, whatever it is we are, right? When we receive ourselves fully, the world receives us. The day we don't receive us, even some days we receive, some days we may say, I don't receive. That day people will not receive you.
Yes. Yes.
You have to ask, you should just get up and say, what am I unwilling to be?
Yes.
And do I just give myself permission to be that just for half an hour, just for 30 minutes? Start with that small time. Because अगर एक हफ्ता बोल दिया तो हम कुछ नहीं करने वाले.
Yeah.
Like gym ki, like you take a membership. Oh, I'm going on a diet. 1 week diet. आधी घंटा में खत्म.
Yeah.
क्यों? एक हफ्ता तो कर नहीं पाऊंगी, अभी enjoy कर लेती हूँ ना. अरे just
Yes.
go 1 hour, small bites, 1 day, 3 hours. That is manageable because that much willpower we have
Yes.
to be out of control. And some people can have for 1 week. See what works for each one because each one of us are different.
Yes. Yes.
Like my
Yes.
goals are always just for 1 day because उसके बाद मुझे समझ में नहीं आता, next day पता नहीं मैं उल्टा कुछ करूंगी.
Yes. Cool.
Because how can I be so nice? How can I be so disciplined? I have a judgment of all that, so I can't be. I have to prove my identity that I'm very indisciplined.
Yeah.
So 3 दिन बाद वापस से करना पड़ेगा. So if you just do one days,
Yeah.
it's just smooth sailing,
Yes. Cool. Awesome.
right?
My body just lightened up so much. Thank you.
Welcome. See, एक simple सा चीज है, you forgetting. If you take care of your body is going to make you shit tons of money.
Yeah.
Okay. So अगर तुम्हारे पास कोई और incentive नहीं है, take this incentive and start taking care of your body.
Yeah.
Because हमको incentive चाहिए, हम without incentive काम नहीं कर सकते. That's
Yes.
जिसको जो incentive.
True. Thank you for that.
Welcome. Yes, Sumit.
Yeah, my question is that, as a female, we have lots of ifs and buts for anything and everything, I would say. कि if I step out, ये कैसे होगा? How would it be managed? मतलब most of the females do have their, बहुत कुछ करने के लिए, but of course, so how to get out of that?
See, the thing is, your desire need to be so strong that it overrides your if and buts. Are you interested or are you committed to doing? See, if I'm interested in going out, but it's too sunny. Okay, fine. Let me just watch Netflix. I wanted to go, but it was because of the heat I could not. But if I'm committed,
No, that is something which is a point which I am, hindering myself for
yeah,
my own reasons.
agreed.
Right.
See, we all get it. See, sanity, when we are sane, we get it, right? But deep down, it is, we have to say, just ask yourself, am I committed to change or am I interested in change? See, if you're committed, you'll do whatever it takes, okay? But if you're interested, you'll say, okay, I'm just interested. अगर हो गया मेरे ठीक ठाक तो मैं कर लूंगी, नहीं तो मैं नहीं करूंगी. So that is the first thing that you need to be aware of. Are you interested or are you committed to a change? See, commitment is like no matter what, okay? No matter what.
Yeah.
And we have all been that. If you go back from childhood, there'll be some area, something that you were committed. We have done it. Like I'll give you example. Like I'm not an early riser, okay? And I hate getting up. Like I will only get up very early if there need to be. But not from now, from childhood. But because I used to play basketball and then in college, the practice was at 6 a.m. When if 6 a.m. means leaving house, but because I was so committed to play that it didn't matter. 3 years, 6 a.m. I'm there on the field. Class में नहीं वो different चीज है, right? Because that is interested. वो class तो चलती रहेगी interested है, but that I committed is basketball, right? So now
Yeah.
I make plans. कि I will go for a walk, but I don't get up. I have all my aches and pains, all my reasons and justification, late night and everything. Why? Because it's just an interest. It is not a commitment. हो गया तो ठीक है, जिस दिन हो गया उस दिन अच्छा नहीं हुआ तो कोई बात नहीं, right? So I'm just saying, get that present. Is it a commitment? And nobody had to wake me up because I want to go, because I want to play, whatever proving it can be, right? Because you want to win the tournament. There is something dangling, carrot, that I am here. Of course, I will look nice if I go for a walk. Oh my God. But then the thing is, it's just an interest. It's not turned into a commitment. So I'll always have my reasons and justification. So all your reasons and justification is because you are interested in the subject but not committed. The day you are committed, there'll be no reason and justification. You'll override all the reasons and justification.
Okay.
So all the reasons and justification I have, and everywhere I'm giving all my power to the reasons and justification that holds me back in actualizing whatever you are asking for. I destroy and create that. Okay? And then just ask truth.
Yes.
Am I interested or am I committed? And there's no right and wrong. Interest will develop into commitment because every time I'm like, everything doesn't allow me to commit to this, pock and pot. Everything that doesn't allow me to commit to this, pock and pot. So you know. So at least you'll not be harsh on yourself. You'll not judge you for the choices you didn't make because you'll be like, yeah, I have to strengthen my interest and turn that into my commitment. Then you are unstoppable. And look back into your life, there'll be an area where you were committed and you, against all odds, you still took that action, whatever you needed to take. So we have all done that. It's not that we don't know how to do it. It's not just a unique quality only few people have. This is the quality each one of us have in different areas.
Yes.
Okay. Great. Anybody else? Any other questions?
Thank you.
Welcome. Any other questions you have with your body? What is date with your body? Yeah, Rashi.
So, Ruchi,
Yes, Rashi.
in the last few months, I have developed this issue of sciatica. That is what they say, though I still don't understand that. So, I am facing problems in sitting. For very long, if I sit, I start having pain in the tailbone. So, मेरा सारा routine work बंद हो गया है. I am unable to travel.
Okay. Rashi, one question. Everywhere trying to, because you said I don't understand, but I'm trying to understand. So everywhere you understanding by keeping this disease in place and not changing it, can you destroy and uncreate it all?
Yes.
Right? उस disease के ऊपर बैठ के नहीं आ जाएगा. Like उस disease पे मैं बैठी हूँ, एक दिन तो मेरे को चमकेगी बत्ती की ये क्यों है, and then I will let go. So everywhere you're holding on and waiting to understand or have in-depth knowledge about it, can you destroy and uncreate and let that go now? Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, poggle, under, shirt, bus, boy, bus. So, truth, have you locked your creativity?
Yes.
So, what if you just have to open your creativity and everything will just go off?
Mm-hmm.
It's like, what do you desire to create, not what you need to create? So if you're doing from need, it's not going to change. If you're just choosing from the desire to create whatever that is, you will see there's a movement of energy flow that happens because you said tailbone. Tailbone is the root chakra. Root chakra is the house of creativity, right? So what have you holding yourself so that it's paining, it's hurting because you desire to give birth, but it is not giving, you're not giving birth. So it's the pain, but not from the need. Because need say yeah, need is again, it's like, oh, I have no choice, but I have to create. That is a different, there's an angst energy. It's not a joy energy. Creation is always attached to a joy energy. I'd like to create, so I'm just creating it for the fun of it. So how much fun are you limiting in your life? Little, a lot, or megatons? Truth.
Megatons.
So what if it's just that? All you need to do is just add the element of joy, fun. Maybe that's what your body is trying to tell you. Its body is saying, boss, see, you're derailing, you're not having fun, joy. So how will you listen unless you don't have aches and pains? Because everything that comes easy is not valuable. So unless we go through aches and pains, and then I value it and cherish it, and then I will not let that go. So how much if your disease is your body way of talking, what are you not providing in your life, or what you are not choosing in your life? Yes, Jasmine.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Jasmine, your hands are raised.
Yes, I am there. Hi, Suruchi. Thank you for the wonderful session. I have gone through the session on my scooter. I was driving, but I did not want to miss anything. So I want to know, I mean, understand more about the cellulite thing. Like what can we say for the cellulite?
See, cellulite as fats, okay? What is it? Like a
Yeah.
stuck fat. So what movement
Mhm.
are you refusing? See, body loves to move, okay?
Correct.
It
Correct.
is not, so when we hold the movement in life, when we hold the joy in life, and then the thing is cellulite is like, if my take is it's like a fat deposit, okay, when it get locked. So
Correct.
whatever joy we had in the past, and everywhere you're locking that is the only resource you can have. And everywhere
Mhm.
not willing to let go the past and
Correct.
join and create that.
Yes.
So
Yes.
what movement can I have in my life now, and what new memories, new creation, new experience can I create now? Because sometimes we
Create
hold on
now.
to the past. Oh, कितने मजे आते थे पहले, अरे बाप रे बाप, पहले तो मैं ऐसे कर लेती थी, वैसे कर लेती थी. So rather than living in the past, can you live in the present? And
Present.
now can you choose what is fun for you, what excites you, and what movement does your body like now, not what it used to like
Now.
in the past.
Yes.
Because
Yes.
body is also
Understood.
shifted and changed its taste.
Correct. Correct. Understood the point.
So it is just that that's your body saying कि भैया बहुत होल्डिंग अप हो गया, रिलीज करने का टाइम हो गया, रिलीज कर
Release.
दो, छोड़ दो,
Yes.
जाने दो. लेट्स क्रिएट
Correct.
न्यू. हम क्यों नहीं जाने देते? हमको लगता है नया तो अब कुछ बन नहीं रहा है. तो जो पुराना
हाँ.
मेमोरीज अगर उसको भी जाने दिया तो फिर कुछ बचेगा ही नहीं,
बचेगा. Yeah. Very true.
राइट? बट देन द थिंग इज, जब तक खाली नहीं होगा तब तक नया स्पेस आएगा कैसे? बिकॉज अगर नया
आएगा
आ भी रहा है, you are in your thought process of the past, so you are romancing
past.
your past. Can you romance your
Correct.
present? Can you romance your
Yes.
body now? What it is, not what how you used to look in the past. But we are having that angst कि oh my god, पहले तो इतनी अच्छी लगती थी, जैसे मैं कुछ कहती थी 50 कॉम्प्लीमेंट तो ऐसे ही करते थे. अभी तो जो देखता है पहले बोलता है ये नहीं है, वो नहीं है, right? So we
Correct.
have a
Correct.
judgment of how you look now.
Correct.
When we let go the judgment of how we look now, that will allow us to have romance our body now, not in the past.
Perfect. Thank you.
Cells are screaming, let go. Darling,
Let
just
go.
let go.
Let go. Yeah, that's happening. And as you said, when we have this thought process, we invite many more things to justify it, and that's also happening. So I am letting go in a way, but now I'll start with the processes also.
Do say, body, how can I serve you, body? You are my master.
can I-
Body, how can I serve you?
How can I serve you? That's great.
Like role play.
And also, I wanted to double check, can we run MTVSS for the cellulite thing also?
See, you are now asking from my head. Connect with your body.
I am
Body will
asking
guide.
from.
Yeah. हेड से तो हेड का ही प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व होगा, बॉडी की तो नहीं होगी।
ठीक है, डन
बॉडी के
डन.
लिए सॉल्व करना होगा तो बॉडी से कनेक्ट करना पड़ेगा।
I'll ask my master now.
Ask
That's
the
fun.
master, master,
Yeah,
what can I do for you today?
correct. Done. Thank you, Suruchi.
Welcome. Yes, Sarita.
Hi, Suruchi.
Hi.
Thank you for this wonderful call, dear.
My pleasure. I like
Okay.
it. I'm addicted.
Awesome, awesome. So I wanted to ask, I don't know whether it's related to this. What is this
What? You-
Becamies that we do now?
Yeah. Beckhamic is that is in the bars manual. It is. If you see, Sara ye hai. So if I go there, we'll go into a completely different tangent. So not here. Maybe we'll connect
Okay,
later, and maybe if you
okay.
need some information, I can tell you
Yeah,
later.
I'll connect with you for that. Yeah.
Yeah, no
Thank you.
problem. Yeah, Nisha, your hands raised. Nisha, there? Yeah. Hello, your voice is very soft, Nisha. I can't hear you.
Now can you hear?
No, I don't think so. Anyone can hear. So, Nisha, while you figure out your just mute, I don't know, volume button in your computer or something so that. No, I can't hear you. I'll just take Ashita's call and I'll get back to you, Nisha. Yeah, Ashita.
Hi, Suruchi.
Yeah.
This is my first call with you, and I'm feeling so good.
Thank you.
Uh, Thank you. Anna, I want to ask that my cervical is coming back and forth like after my daughter. She's 8 years now. I have to go twice a year to a physiotherapist or take a neurotherapy.
So,
So
Ashita, my question to you, what change are you avoiding or resisting? What change in your
it's
life?
it's getting pukish.
Yes. So it's like every way resisting the change, right? Because after your daughter, your life must have changed, and now she's 8 and it's coming in. So whenever time your cervical or things come, it's like just ask, what am I refusing here? What change am I refusing here?
Okay. Okay.
And lowers your barriers and receive the change.
Okay.
It's like a push, like things are changing and you're putting it's like that creates the fight. And sometimes
Hmm.
everything around us is changing so much that we don't know. So, is everything around you changing so much that you don't know how to relate to it?
Yeah, I'm asking what would it take for me to include beings and exclude people so everyone is going from my life.
See, is everyone going from your life or just their identities are going from their life?
Yeah, all the structures of morality
Yeah.
also diminishing.
See, okay, I'm not going to go into the big words. I'm just going to explain. See, when we are including being, so we are having oneness, right? But it's
Hmm.
you're having that oneness, but then it's you can sense it, they can't, right? So then
Yeah.
because they are not doing the role play that they used to, because they are so used to doing a transaction. When you do something, then they will do. But when you're
Hmm.
connected with the being, you can see the space, but it will not show up the way you expect it to. But all the
Hmm.
expectations you have, ki if I am connecting with the being and letting go all the structures of morality and everything, let go the projection and expectation how people will react to you if you're connected with your being or you're connected
Hmm.
with the being of the people. Because
Yeah,
it's like when
I'm
you're
fearing aloneness, maybe
are you okay? So now how it's like, isn't it a duality? If you're connected with the being, are you alone?
yeah, no.
So your ask is, I want to connect to the being. So you are connected to the being, but it's just space. It doesn't feel anything.
Yes.
So then how is that loneliness? Because you are at this present connected with some 36,000 beings, right? So
Hmm.
you are connected and you know. It's just that they're not around you.
Okay.
So you're not lonely. So you're lying, it's lonely. So basically, you're missing the crowd. You're not missing the beings.
Yeah, that I'm used to.
So
Okay.
it's like, so is it lonely? Because none of us, we say we are lonely, but none of us are lonely because our team guys are always present with us. Sun, water, air, all the elements are present with us. We are not lonely, but we don't know what to do with the space because we are so used to the faces around us.
Yes, correct, correct.
So now what if you can just say, okay, I'm an aware being. I can sense. Am I present? Am I connected? Oh, yes. So am I lonely? No. My mind will say you're lonely because mind can't see the faces around.
Acha. Hmm. Hmm.
So now how much fun can I have with the beings that I'm connected with?
Get it. Yeah, thank you so much.
Welcome.
Thank
Nisha, is your thing fixed? Would you try again once?
Yeah, can you hear me now?
Yeah, I can hear you now. Yeah.
Yeah, the thing is that since nearly 2009, I'm having this root chakra pain only, spine, lower back. And means I had to leave my job when doctor told me you can have a child or job, what you want. So I choose a child. But in that pregnancy only, I came to know that I am having this lower back pain, and it is still now. Even if you touch at that particular point, the pain starts a lot.
So sorry to cut you, but is that pain yours? Truth.
Yeah,
Is that pain yours?
no idea.
You can't say no idea. You'll have to pay me a fine. So truth is this, because you can't understand, we say no idea. If there's no right and wrong, just get present and just go yes or no, whatever comes. Truth, is that pain yours?
No.
No. So what, something that is not yours, you cannot change it, right? So everywhere I bought this as mine, everywhere I sold this as mine, to me, I destroy and uncreate it all. Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, all 100 short boys, boys, versus creation, and now return it back to the source. I now return it back to the source. I now return it back to the source. I now return it back to the source. Because every time when the pain comes, I'm like, फिर से आ गया यार, मेरा ही है. So what we do, we structure it even more deeper than mine. But वो मेरा है नहीं. So whatever I will do will not change. So the moment you get it's not yours, just say return it back to the sender, return it back to the sender till it gets lightened. Again, you will go pick it up because we are so used to picking up the same thing. The moment you feel, again return it back. If it's gone once, that means it's not yours.
Okay. Thank you.
Welcome. And everywhere you feel you're so jobless without any job, you need some pain to entertain you because you chose your child over the job. Can you destroy and create it all?
Yes.
Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, poggle, 100 short bus, boss, versus creation and glance. Yeah, Avni. With the sender with touch. Avni, your hands raised. Do you want to ask a question?
Yeah, sorry. I wanted to ask about weight and overweight and obesity. So I've been dealing with this since like very early childhood years, teenage years. And now after coming into Access and learning about one more other modality, understood, or I would say I've started knowing about that, how I have created the layers around my body, hiding and escaping and all those things. I would um, i would still like to ask you, like, what kind of questions should I ask my body?
Okay, simple. See, एक wait है. So what are you waiting for?
Okay.
Okay.
Hmm.
Everywhere you're using weight as
Yeah.
a defense mechanism. What are you
Hmm.
defending with your weight?
Hmm.
And who are you defending with your weight?
Yeah.
And
For who? I would say it's me only.
so what will you do? What wrong things will you do, Avni, if you lose all the excess weight? Will you become more naughty?
No, I don't think so.
So what have you decided you will do, or what have people said you will do if you
Hmm.
start losing all the excess weight? See, excess weight is nothing but emotions in layers. Something that we hold against, something that we don't want to let go, right?
Yeah.
Then we fear something that has happened in the past will incur. It's a very subtle fear, right? That doesn't
Yes.
allow us to look the best. We all look beautiful, irrespective of the weight, but the best that your body would like to look as.
And for me, it's not just about looking, it's also about feeling fit and healthy in my body, you know.
So it's like if it's about feeling fit and healthy in your body, so why are you punishing your body by not doing the actions which will make your body feel fit and healthy? It's punishment. So we like to punish our body because we have decided our body will provide. So when we get to a certain weight or a certain movement, whatever we decided will happen और वो नहीं होता. So we like, अरे इसके लिए करके कुछ फायदा नहीं है. Like होता है ना कि हमने किसी के लिए कुछ किया, right? Let's take example of a person. हमने उसके लिए कुछ किया, then we expect कि हमने ये किया तो एटलीस्ट थैंक यू तो बोलेगा, अरे कुछ तो देगा. बट जब वो नहीं करता ना, नेक्स्ट टाइम हम बोलते नहीं करेंगे यार, फालतू है, उसने तो मुझे एक्नॉलेज भी नहीं किया, उसने मेरे लिए कुछ नहीं किया. It's your expectation of what will happen if you take care of your body. So all the projections, expectations, separation, rejection, judgments you have in place, what will happen if you take care of your body, that keeps you always in the big five, in the presumptive reality. Can you destroy and uncreate all of it, please?
Yes.
Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pop, 100 short, but what was situation happen? And what is your body trying to tell you that you're not listening? Because body is also waiting कि ये सुनेगी तब मैं हिलूंगा. तो आप क्या नहीं सुन रहे?
Yeah.
See, you can go very big, but my idea is don't go very big words or jargon. Just break it and say very simple कि body चल अपनी भाषा में बात करते हैं, बता जो मेरे को समझ में है, तुझे समझ में है. Let's bring it on the table.
Wow, that's a very big insight for me. Thank you, Suruji, because I have been asking questions and communicating with my body, but there is no clarity, you know. Many times it feels like ये judgment है कि ये awareness है. I keep asking that question, and sometimes I end up thinking that I made the choice asking my body, listening to my body, and now I'm regretting that. And sometimes it's happened कि मैंने body की नहीं सुनी, अब मैं इस चीज के लिए regret कर रही हूँ. So it's always a confusion for me, you know.
So it's okay. It's like how will you talk to a friend कि यार ले तू मेरे से नाराज है, मेरे साथ मिल नहीं रही, चल let's bring it on the table. You say what I will say and let's figure it out. And see, the idea is don't get into the jargons. Don't get connected the way you will. See, words hai, but वो ना, to look intelligent, we use very big words.
Yeah.
But it's you have to speak in the way that you get your awareness, you get the message, and you move. It's got nothing to do with others. You don't have to impress anybody. It's between you and your body. बाकी दुनिया जाए भाड़ में.
Yeah.
Literally. Yeah. Great,
Yeah.
guys.
Can I request a clearing for the same topic?
You need to talk to your body.
Yes, of course. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Thank you so much, guys, for hopping in. And everything that doesn't allow you to take your body on a date every single day, can you destroy and uncreate it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, purple, 100 short, bus, pause, bus, your identity is because of your body. जितना भी पैसा कमा लोगे, बॉडी नहीं रहेगी तो पैसा भी किसी और के पास जाने वाला है. Right? And everywhere in hopes and dreams कि यार कल जब मेरी कल when my work will go fine, कल when I have that extra time, कल when I'll have that extra money, then I will treat my body very nicely. So all your hopes and dreams, that keeps leaving you in hopes and dreams only, and doesn't allow you to take any action with your body. Can you destroy and uncreate it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, purple, 100 short, bus, pause, buses. अरे वो बॉयफ्रेंड है, कल उसको फोन करूंगा, वो किसी और के साथ चला जाएगा यार. आज नाउ नहीं तो कोई किसी और ने ले लेना है. कोई किसी के कोई एंटिटी ले जाता है, किसी को कोई प्रॉब्लम ले जाता है, सबकी अपनी अपनी चीज है. कभी किसी को डिजीज ले जाता है. सो नाउ relationship with your body now, not tomorrow. Yeah. So great, guys. Thank you so much for hopping in. And yes, just class announcement, little class announcement. Yes. In case if you want to have little more fun and go journey with your body, I'm doing a 5-day, 1 hour thing from 28th to 2nd. It's a journey with your body. I'll put the details, see if it is. It's for 3,000 rupees. Just the only commitment that you need is ready to explode. So it is just that. See what if it is, and it doesn't have any prerequisite. So feel free if you know somebody, if you want, if you don't want, it's perfectly fine. This is please post here. I have it on my WhatsApp. The thing flirt on consciousness mein aap hoge. I will put the thing there if that is fine. Because abhi idhar se idhar mujhe nahi aata. I am not that technology savvy to go here to here. Tab tak 1 घंटा और लग जाएगा. So I'm going to just put it on that flirt to consciousness group. I'm just having allowance with myself. This is what actually works for me.
That is ease for all of us also, Suruchi. So how does it get even better?
मैं आपका सुरुचि नंबर जरूर डाल देना आपका, या आपका ग्रुप का कोई डिटेल मुझे
लेके जा रहे हो?
हाँ हाँ, अरे कब चलना है? मैं आ जाऊं मुंबई.
Are you in the group or you're not in the group? Because if you're in the group, the number is.
नहीं, मैं ग्रुप में नहीं हूँ.
अच्छा, I will put the number here. 1 second, chat में डाल देती हूँ मैं. 1 minute.
Richu, you send it to me. I will send it to the people I know.
Who is this?
Seema.
Seema.
No, you put it in the group. I will send it to the people.
Yeah. I'm putting into the group because वो फिर मुझे individual पता नहीं चलेगा. I'll just put it in the group. Everything. आपको जिसको जो लगता है, whoever wants and whoever's come through via whoever, please feel free.
And whoever knows me can ask me. I will send it to you. Thank you.
Thank you so much for helping and making my life easy. I'm really grateful.
Thank you so much, yaar. इतना सब किया है.
So great guys. Have fun with your body and do let me know after 1 week actually how your relationship with your body is. Just go take your body out for a date every single day. It doesn't matter if it's a 5-minute date or a 5-hour date. But take it. Yeah. Bye-bye. See ya.
Bye. Thank you, Suchi.
Thank you.